Today we're doing survival in a Minecraft Pocket Edition world. So let's start. What did you go with our world? Maybe. Surviving with YouTube. What the? With YouTube. YouTube! YouTube! Oh wait, this is also. Okay. Building terrain is slow as I said before. Ito na. First of all, remove by difficulty. And as always, doing Minecraft Pocket Edition, person survival, rubber wood. Maybe we build a house first, because it's very important. By the way, guys, I'm putting again the difficulty, or maybe I've been killed by those creepers zombies! Okay. Okay, as always, all the Minecrafters do. Crafting table is always they do. And grab a tool that you need. And I need some wooden axe for today. Okay. Just wood, we're not going to get the birch. Okay guys, just wait a minute, I will cut so many trees. Maybe, okay, I will cut those trees. Okay guys, I gathered some resources, 50 oak wood. Now we need to grab more wood. Okay, we had two stack and 19 pieces of wood. We need to grab the stars. The stars, baby, the stars! Okay, now we place the stars. We place the stars. The stars is flying, baby. I will make a bridge through that. And maybe the stars will guide me. Okay. Grab wood. Oh, 3 stacks. I have 3 stacks of wood. Okay. Those. Broke. Oh dear. As I said, guys, we're going to build the house, but we cannot do that right now because, you know, just make the bridge. Maybe, and did I reach the bridge limit account and I receive a strike. Then I don't know how to solve it because I'm 11 years old. YouTube gamer. Maybe I like Butterfinger, but I'm not Butterfinger. I'm not Butter. By the way, Butterfinger, the amazing gamer is just like me, playing Minecraft Pocket Edition, Black Ops. He's playing nice. He's just fat. Fat. I'm fat. Okay. He's fat. Sorry for Butterfinger, but he's fat like me. I'm Peppa Pig and he's George. As I know, guys, some of you are watching Peppa Pig. And, oh, another broken here. Stars, healthy stars. Okay. We need to crop another star. We need to crop another star. They call it star. I like the sounding of star. Star. Go to the bridge. We need to crop another star. Stars, baby, the stars. Another stars. So many stars. Okay. Okay, guys. Here. Okay, guys, wait. Okay. Here again. Sheep. Hello, Mr. Sheep. Ah! Please stay forever, you say. Yo. Jack. Hey, Mr. Sheep, I'm not Jack. Jack. I'm not Jack. Jack. I'm not Jack. Oh, there. Okay. I got an egg. Look, who did an egg? I got an egg. Wait. Rip, Mr. Egg. Okay guys, it's turning night time and I don't like it. It's scary, you know. Actually, this is not my friend. Oh, look at the moon. The bottom moon. Start now. Okay. Start again. Off. We're building our house now, and I don't know if this stairs is enough. The stars on wood is enough. Okay. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, the equivalent is 10. 10 by 10. And my sister, there she goes again. Playing with me. I don't know. I know I'm the older, but I never do that naughty like her. Yeah, sister. Are you so naughty? I know you're so naughty. Yeah, you said you're so naughty. There's coughing again when I'm making a YouTube channel. How can I get through here? Okay, guys. Stars, baby, the stars. The stars, baby, the stars. The stars are doing fine. This dirt. The dirt, baby, the dirt. Dirt. Dirt means a grass or a dirty thing. Maybe your shoe is dirty. That is dirty. And maybe your bag is dirty. Dirty is dirty. Dirty like a pile of dirt. My sister's so naughty. I don't know why she's so naughty like that when I'm making my YouTube over here. It's so naughty. Keep silent! You make me angry. Angry bird. Angry bird. Angry bird. Oh, there she goes again. Wait, the angry bird. Angry bird. Okay. And there she sings again. I really hate her. It's not so good, sister. But I still call her sister. And I don't know why. And I know that I can complete this. And there's my goal. Okay. Yo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Guys, it's not finished yet. It's not finished yet, and you're thinking, come on, get out of this room. No. Okay, no. So be silent. Everybody is there. Yo. I don't know why I make the stars first. The stars, baby, the stars. I always want to talk about the stars. The stars.